We all have problems scanning small electronics and cables inside our bags while we are traveling to workplace or college. Cables become cluttered, memory cards often get lost somewhere inside bags. Plus it's really inconvenient to find the cables and stuff while in hurry. This is where the dedicated gadget organizers come in handy. Today in this video I am going to show you what's in my gadget organizer featuring Amazon Basics Universal Travel Case. What's up guys, you are watching Technicarena. Without any further ado, let's get started. The Amazon Basics Universal Travel Case fits in any of your backpacks or travel bags easily. It measures about 9.5 inches in length, 5 inches in width and around 2 inches in height. It comes in a molded EVA plastic outside cover and has a soft inside to protect your electronics from damage. It comes with 2 stretch mesh pockets that can easily hold a cell phone, a power bank and different sort of cables or even an external hard drive. I keep my Kindle Paperwhite in the left mesh pocket, which can even hold smaller tablets. The next stuff I keep here is my tiny notebook where I note down several technical information. I also keep my charging cable of my Mi Band in the same pocket. In the small mesh pocket located in the right, I keep my 10400 mAh power bank. I also keep 2 USB LED lights in this pocket and they come in handy in case of emergency. This case has smaller pockets where I carry my card reader, memory cards, pen drives, OTG adapter and small stuffs like that. There is a small velcro strap attached with the pocket, opening which we have the access to the beneath portion of the second mesh pocket where I store a lot of stuffs. First of all, here I keep my Boat Bashett's 225 earphone so that it doesn't get cluttered. The next stuff I keep here is a USB cable for charging and data syncing. I also keep my smartphone lenses in this compartment which I use for creative smartphone photography. The most important thing which I keep in this section is my Lav Mic. I use it for recording voiceovers for my videos. There is a third mesh pocket where I keep my favorite Reliance Reconnect pen, which also works as a stylus. I also keep my fidget spinner in the same pocket. When I get bored, I play with it. The last pocket is located at the back of the case. Here I keep some microfiber cloths for wiping my smartphone screen. The case also comes with a removable wrist strap that makes it easy to transport. The Amazon Basics Universal Travel Case not only comes in handy while traveling but also in day-to-day usage. The case is of a great build quality, the zippers feel sturdy and can hold it together even you put more and more stuffs inside. Outside is hard enough to survive damages and inside is soft enough to protect items from scratches. Although the stitches could have been better and it would be a bonus if Amazon made it waterproof or even spill-proof. But at the price of around 600 rupees, I can't really complain. All in all, it's a great value for money product from Amazon Basics. So that's it for today guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have liked the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, make sure to follow me on other social networks. I'll be back with another interesting video. Signing off, peace.